Good morning, friends in Marda Loop. Here I have with Bishwa, of the owner of COBS Bakery, and we're about to do a fun little interview. Welcome to the show, Bishwa.
Thank you very much.
Let's go. COBS Bread. So it's Bryon Howard here with Calgary Living and living in Marda Loop. I am here with the wonderful Bishwa. Welcome to the show.
Thank you very much.
Bishwa is the owner of COBS Bakery here in Marda Loop.
Yeah.
And he's agreed to introduce a little bit about his business here in the area. Bishwa, to begin with, what motivated you to open COBS Bakery?
Well, I've been a chef close to 30 years now. So this seemed to be the natural transition from working for, I work for hotels in Canada. So I
work for others for most years.
Well, hotels.
Hotels,
Yeah,
okay.
mostly I work for hotels and cruise ships.
Cruise ships?
Yeah, so I did that for 24, 25 years.
Wow.
And this seemed to be the natural transition for me to, get into business.
Interesting. Very good. Okay. And so you're working for hotels and cruise ships in Calgary, not in Calgary?
10 years at the Sheraton.
Oh, Sheraton up there.
Yeah, downtown. Yeah, and then before that I was 3 years in Edmonton.
Years in Edmonton.
Yeah, I did shopping facility,
Very good.
That's before I moved. Yeah.
Okay.
And then I worked cruise ships 6-7 years.
Okay.
With PA Cruise up in England.
Okay. In England. All right. Great. And so sounds like you're a guy of the world. How did you happen to choose Alberta and then Calgary and then Marda Loop?
Well, I decided to move to Canada, and I worked in Toronto for 6 months.
Yeah.
Did enjoy it so much there. Got a job offer here in Edmonton. I became a lawyer.
Well, we are lucky to have you, and I've been going to COBS Bread, and I'm really feeling lucky to have it in my neighborhood.
I've never lived in one place more than I was in Calgary.
Really?
This is more
This is home?
anybody, I've been here in Calgary since 2006.
Oh, wow. Cool. Well,
Yeah.
always interested in people's journey, especially as it pertains to real estate and that sort of things. But this is more focused on COBS Bread.
Yeah.
What do customers love most about COBS Bread and the service you provide?
You can smell it as you walk.
Oh, I walked in there and just a couple of kids walked in behind me. May I have a treat?
Everything that you see is big fresh.
Right.
So when you come into the store, it's the day. My day just started 3 or 4 in the morning, depending on the day.
Uh-huh.
So everything was made from scratch. We don't like a lot of the baking. We don't have anything frozen or anything that's being made elsewhere. Everything is made in house.
Okay.
So all the products that you see are made by artisan bakers.
Nice.
So we have actual bakers.
Actual bakers, artisan bakers, yeah.
So everything, most of the stuff is made by hand. So we are proud of being artisanal.
Okay. Neat. Okay, very good. And is there anything exciting coming up with COBS Bread here in Marda Loop?
We always have things exciting.
Yeah.
So we have various promotions. Right now it's the mini pizzas. We're going to be going into the hot cross season pretty soon. So Easter is coming up, so hot cross.
House cross buns. And mini pizza. Tell me about the mini pizza.
Yeah, the mini pizza is selling so well.
Tell me about this pizza.
Yeah, so the pizzas started in early January, and they have been so popular that we just can't stop it.
Wow. So what are your future goals with COBS Bread?
I want to own a couple more stores.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you're loving the experience in Marda Loop.
Absolutely.
This is
I
your
love
first
it.
store, yeah?
Yeah, I love it. I love the locality. I love the people here. They're so generous and kind. I like the fact that people walk to my store every day. I mean, they walk the dogs and they come to the store to buy their bread, and they buy fresh bread every single day. So I see my customers coming in every single day.
Oh, excellent.
Yeah, that's awesome.
And Bishwa, are you in the front and all? The people get to see you and meet you as the owner or operator?
Absolutely. I do both. I work both front and back.
You have wonderful staff there, I must say. I've been in lots, so.
We're proud of, I'm not only probably proud not only of our brand, we're also proud of our customer service.
Mhm.
And it's very important for us that customers that come in, they coming back for an adequate experience with us.
Great. Bishwa, this has been great. How do people reach out? I mean, what's your address to begin with? Physical address. Are you on Insta? Is there any ways that people can reach out to you?
Yeah, for sure. Our actual address is 3433 22nd Street Southwest. We are just across the Canada, I guess.
Petrogani, that's right, yeah.
So yeah, we're in the
And what is it? Village ice cream? Like lots of cool things here.
There's lots of cool things. So
Starbucks, Strides running store, the Safeway, everything's right here.
Yeah. So yeah, it's a great place to be, and especially in the summers, there's lots of seating around here. So a lot of my customers usually come in for the ice cream and then buy bread or buy a treat.
Wonderful. Yeah. Well, is there anything else that our viewers would want to know about Bishwa and COBS Bread and Marda Loop? Anything else to share?
I'm extremely proud and proud of my bakers, and I'm very proud of my products. I make sure that every product that comes out is the best that we can. So, I'm really proud of my artisanal bread, especially my sourdoughs. A lot of my customers, they come back just for the sourdoughs.
Nice.
So yeah, I'm hoping to see more and more people converted to eating those kind of breads.
Excellent.
Well, we don't use any preservatives or chemicals in our breads. And our breads are baked fresh every single day. So, a lot of people are finding that out, and I can see them coming back every single day. So I'm hoping more and more people can know about our products.
Well, hopefully this video and interview will help do that.
Thank you.
Thanks very much, Bishwa.
Let's get on.
Have a great day.
Hi guys, I'd like to have a picture from my website. Just kind of stand there, look happy. That's great, okay. It's all baked on the stone, eh?
Yeah, well, not all of it, but all the artisan breads are baked in stone.
Okay, cool. Hot cross bread coming to you from COBS. That's actually a video. There we go.